Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. At school, everyone just like 5 people I know has those I Love Boobies wristbands, and I really want one, but no one tells me where they got them. They always say
they got it from a friend, or they got it from a friend who got it from a friend. It's just like, where'd that friend get it?
oh my gosh. Today I got Hungry Howie's. It was completely gross and greasy, but the box was amazing. See? The box, it's Breast Cancer Awareness.
Because Breast Cancer Awareness Month is delicious.
Does it make sense? Okay, so there's this couple laying in bed, and they hear a knock at the door. So the man, he goes downstairs, and he opens the door, and then there's this dude standing there, and he's like, I need a push. And the dude, he says no and slams the door, and then he walks back upstairs. And his wife was like, what was it? And then the dude was like, it was just some guy needing a push. And she's like, well, what if someone didn't give us a push when we were trapped that one time when we needed a push? And he's like, fine.
Okay, probably not that little teenage angsty, but still.
And then he walks downstairs again, and he opens the door, and he looks out, and he's like, where are you? I'll give you a push. And the dude, he was like, I'm over here on the swings. I love jokes. They're funny. I'm so funny.
Love is no Nintendo game. I like cotton candy gum, bumper cars, and carnivals with a nice rainbow.
Really wish I had my phone right now, but I'm still grounded. Heart, 'cause I love you, and I love you and all your eyes. I just hiccup burped right there. Did you hear it? I was like,
hiccup and burp.
That's what a hiccup burp is.
Cheer up, Charlie.
Only a couple of them got it. You know, no one has seen the African-American Cinderella. You know, the one where she's like,
impossible.
You know, where Cinderella's African-American and the prince is like Asian. And it's just like, that's the best Cinderella ever. Ever. The cartoon ones doesn't even compare at all. Look at this girl's shoes. Awesome shoes. Awesome shoes. They be like
sparkle. Just like the stars in space.
Well, I shall go, and I will see you tomorrow. Toodaloo.